Very good evening, all. Thanks for joining. In the last session, we successfully installed and created Linux server. And that Linux server, few basic commands we have practiced, how it works. And we created one Tomcat server installation, Tomcat. So Tomcat is nothing but it is a product name. So Tomcat is nothing but it is a product name which is from Apache company. So Apache, Apache is one of the big company. It was deliverable multiple software products to the world. Okay, so open new tab on the browser. Open new tab on the browser and type Apache. Just type Apache and hit enter. Just hit enter. So the first link is there. So click on the first link. So this is the Apache organization, guys. So Apache is an organization. It's a company. So in the Apache, there are so many products are available. There are so many products are available. In the left side, there is a download section is there. In the left side, under essential, the first option, which is called download. So can you please click on the download? And it will show the list of products from Apache company and which are the products you required. We can download and we can use it. So can you please scroll down? I think this is not correct page. So do one thing. Open a new tab. One more tab. Type Apache software products list. You can type like this. Apache software product list. Yeah, that's correct. ASF, Apache Software Foundation, is that correct link? Yes. Click enter. So the first link you can open in a new tab. The first link you can open in a new tab. ఎప్పుడైనా ఓపెన్ చేసి డైరెక్ట్గా క్లిక్ చేయకండి, రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఓపెన్ ఇన్ ఏ న్యూ ట్యాబ్ అని ఓపెన్ చేసుకోండి ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా. ఓకే, సో ఓపెన్ ఇన్ ఏ న్యూ ట్యాబ్. Go to the new tab. See guys, so Apache, it has a multiple products. It has products by name, so you can check that so many products are in this company. So worldwide, so many companies are using Apache softwares. Example, Apache Ant, Apache Tomcat, Apache Maven. Okay, so like that, many softwares are there. Just you have to scroll down and you can see the name of the products in this list. Just to scroll down and you can show them what are the products are there. Scroll to bottom, please. Almost Apache has alphabets A to Z, all the names, products are available. Such a big company it is. Okay, such a big company it is, but all products are free products. Most of the companies are running with the most profitable business with the Apache. But most of the companies are giving some charity fund to Apache company because Apache is doing a wonderful job for the companies. So these products are very helpful. Okay. So now one of the product, the Tomcat. So can you please find out where the Tomcat is there in that list? Yeah, that is a product we have installed on the Amazon Linux. So Tomcat is only applicable for Linux operating system, not for Windows. So can you please click on that Apache Tomcat and it will open a separate website, tomcat.apache.org. That's a website will be open. Okay, so here in this, it will clearly mention that what is Apache, what is the purpose we are using. So Apache, it was developed in the platform of Java. Okay, so that's why when we are installing the Apache Tomcat Java also we are installing on this machine. Okay, so now completely this Apache Tomcat was ruling the world. Most of the web services running on this Tomcat only. So now in the last session, we have installed a Tomcat services on our Linux server. Okay, so now the same server, we can take it, okay, and we can upload our customized website, and we can access from internet that page whether it is visible or not. So today I'll show you how to modify the default page to custom page in the Tomcat web server. So can you please go to the default Tomcat web server page, which you already connected? మీరు ఇందాక టామ్క్యాట్ పేజ్ని ఓపెన్ చేశారు కదా మీ సర్వర్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత పోర్ట్ నెంబర్ 8080 పెట్టి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద లొకేషన్. సో in this particular location, there is some few files are there. This is a default page. In the default page, if you are removing that files and you can upload the new files, the page appearance will get changed. The page appearance will get changed. Okay. So now how you can modify it? So don't switch the page now. Sampath, నేను చెప్పేంత వరకు పేజ్ని స్విచ్ చేయొద్దు సరేనా, ఓపికగా వినండి ప్లీజ్. Why the server is down? Any reason?
Sorry, sir. I have turned off it, sir. Just a minute, sir. ఇందాక మ్యూట్ లోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ స్టాప్ చేసినప్పుడు
చేయకండి, ఎప్పుడు చేయకండి. టైం తీసుకుని మీరు ఖాళీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు షట్ డౌన్ చేయండి తప్ప సెషన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ సర్వర్ని అలాగే ఉంచేయండి సరేనా. అలా ఉంచడం వల్ల మనకేమవుతుందంటే టైం సేవ్ అవుతుంది, మన కాన్సెప్ట్ కొద్ది కంటిన్యూ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. 750 hours ఉంది మీకు టైం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి. సో నౌ టుడే ఇస్ 27th. ఓకే, if you continuously run the server until 31st of December midnight, you will not get any bill. Okay, you have only 3 to 4 days only is there. Okay, if hardly running 24 hours per day for 4 days, hardly you will get a 40 hardly 100 hours. Okay, okay, please turn it on. Please turn it on. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళా సర్వీసెస్కి వెళ్ళి సర్వీసెస్ని స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, sh space startup.sh. Start అనే కమాండ్ ఎక్కడ లేదు మనకి. sh space startup.sh. Enter. Yeah, that's correct. So now can please open the Tomcat page with the port number 8080. Okay, perfect. So now the next step is we need to change the default Apache Tomcat page to custom page. Okay, default Tomcat page to custom page. So how to change that? Okay, how to change that? So first of all, you need to download. There is a software name called WinSCP. Okay, guys, there is a software name called WinSCP. Open a new tab. Type WinSCP download. Open a new tab. Type WinSCP download. WINSCP download. So this software will help you to connect from Windows system to Linux server in the graphical user interface, not command line, with the graphical user interface. Okay, now can please go to the first page, the first website, winscp.net. Click on that. Yeah, can you please little bit scroll down? And please click on download WinSCP. So once the software is downloaded, can you please double click and install on the PC? So install for all users recommended. Can you please click on that option? So click on accept. And click on next. Next. Install. And click finish. After that, the WinSCP page will get loaded on your screen. So can you please minimize the browser? Please minimize the browser. Please completely minimize all the browsers. Now can please open the WinSCP which is already open on your screen in the bottom. Now can please enter the IP address of your server, and port number is by default 22. And click on advanced. Click on advanced in the right side. Yeah, click on advanced. Yes. So here you have an option called authentication under SSH in the left side. So please select the authentication. Okay. Now can please select the private key file. In the last three dots are there. Can you please click on that? Now can select the appropriate PPK file and click open. Now click on OK. Now click login. Now click yes to accept the security warning. So now can enter the username of your server, EC2-user. And click OK. So now we have connected successfully the remote Linux server by using the graphical user interface with the help of WinSCP. So can you please maximize the screen? So the left side screen, which is showing your local system, the left side screen, which is showing. సో మీరు ఒకసారి చూపించండి, నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు ఒకసారి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ స్క్రీన్ అయినప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఆప్షన్ చూపించండి. యా, దిస్ వన్ విచ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యువర్ లోకల్ సిస్టమ్. ఇన్ ద రైట్ సైడ్ విచ్ ఇస్ షోయింగ్ home EC2-user Tomcat, which is the remote system, which is remote system, and this is your Linux server. Okay. So now you can open the Tomcat. Okay, please open the Tomcat. See, what are the files and everything is showing in this screen. Yeah, understood? So if any files are, if required, if any files you're required, you can just, you can drag and drop to the local system, to the remote system, and remote system to the local system. Okay, just for your information, the left side, there is a key pair is there, right? Just you have to drag and drop into the right side. The left side, there is a key pair is there. Just to hold your key and you can drop here. Click OK. Click OK. So now the file will be moving to the right side of the screen. See? So there is a file was moved. You can check that in the right side, Mumbai AL002 file was copied. Santosh ko చూపించండి. Yeah. See, that file was moved. So similarly, you can copy the files or any data from the remote system to the local system and local system to the remote system easily by using this tool. This tool we called as WinSCP. This tool, it will help. This tool which will help by using the graphical user interface, Linux server can be managed easily. Understood? Now can open the web pages folder. Can you please open the web pages folder on the right side? In the right side, there is a web pages, sorry, web apps, sorry, web apps, web apps. ఎందుకు క్లోజ్ అయింది సంపత్? సంపత్ ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ లో ఉందనుకుంటా చూడండి. ఓపెన్ చేయకండి మళ్ళీ అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, there is a web apps is there, right? Can you please open the web apps? Open it, double click and open it, the web apps. Say this complete web apps is managing with this folder. So the Tomcat, any web related information you want to modify the web apps, so the all web apps will be showing here. Can you please go back to the one step back? Can you please click on the first folder? You'll go back to the one step back. Yeah. Above the docs, yeah, the folder is that you can double click. That is a previous folder. So now I can go to the conf, C-O-N-F, conf, configuration. Configuration. So now in the configuration, so here the files are running. Here the files are running. So now can you please minimize it? Can you please minimize it? And show me the default page, how where look likes. See, can you please minimize this? ఇప్పుడున్న window కూడా minimize చేయండి. Yeah. So now this page, the default page, which is connecting from in that particular location only. So going forward, when we develop the web application and we will copy the web applications to the particular location and we will restart the services. What services we are restarting? Catalina.sh. So Catalina.sh is a Tomcat web services name. So to start the services, we will use the command is sh space startup.sh. Startup.sh we are running. Is that clear? So any questions about Tomcat web services?
Sir, where do we use Catalina.sh and start.sh, sir? So both are, can we use both to start the Tomcat?
No. Catalina.sh is an actual service, brother. Okay. To start the services, they created a shell script file by default. Just give me a minute. So can you please go to the putty? I'll show you how this the SH file was they created and what is this. Go to the putty, please, Sampath. So now clear the screen first of all. Now clear the screen. The network fatal error. So do one thing. I think it'll be inactive. Do one thing. So can you please minimize this putty? Please minimize this putty. We can open from the WinSCP and I'll show you. Please minimize the putty. And open WinSCP. Can you please click on the previous folder? Go to bin. Bin. See here, there is a service name called Catalina. Yes, right? Is a Catalina is there. So, and one more file name is there, startup.sh. Okay, do one thing. Go to startup.sh file, the below. Startup.sh. Can you please right click and open? See, in the particular shell script, okay, there's a lot of information they have written, okay, to start the Catalina server. Okay, so manually, if you are running starting the Catalina services, it will take some time. To avoid that, so Tomcat was giving such a beautiful option. They're creating the shell script file, and once you run that, by using the script, it will start the Catalina server. So then it start working the Tomcat services. You understand? So nowadays, everywhere the shell script file was they're using it for reducing the manual jobs. Okay, Imran?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So this is a custom. This is the file was given by Apache. So we don't want to do anything. This is a by default file. We don't want to make any editing on these files. Okay. Already this job is 100% is doing by this file. Once you double click automatically, so it will start the services. So overall, how the Tomcat server and what are the inside files, okay, everything we learn. Okay, so going forward, I will teach so few more customizations, rules and regulations in the shell scripting files. Okay, so evening 6 to 7 class, I will teach Linux basic commands and as well as by using the commands how to automating the scripts. So reduce the manual task. Okay. Next, troubleshooting. So troubleshooting issues. So what are the issues mostly you will face it? The web server is not accessible. So web server is not accessible. Don't panic first of all. You please remove your panic and put it on the dustbin. Why? If you are panic, will you get any solution? No, right? So first you have to think why this service, why this website is not running. Okay, the website is not running means some error is showing. So first of all, whatever the concept which is teach by the trainer, will it successfully be created or configured? That you need to cross verify. So first of all, which port number it is running? Port number 8080. So go to security group and check that security group is opened or not. Okay, whether it is open, okay, that's not problem with the port group. Then come to the services and you have to start the services. it is working. Even if it is starting, if it is not working, then it will be a big problem. Understood? So similar like Tomcat, okay? Similar like Tomcat. One more web server also is there. One more web server also is there, okay? That is called Nginx. Nginx. Going forward, I will teach how to install Nginx services on the Linux machine, how to configure it. Okay, thank you very much.